Number 2 says, working with your cousin, you can split a cord of firewood in 5 hours. Working alone, your cousin can complete the job in 7 hours. How long would it take you to split the firewood working alone? So my last sentence normally tells me what they're looking for and what I want to define my variable to be. So I'm going to let x be how long it takes you working alone. Okay, so I'm going to set up my template, which is two fractions added together equal to 1. And x is how long it takes us working alone, 7 is how long it takes our cousin working alone, and 5 is working together. Okay, my LCD is 7x, and I want to multiply each of these by 7x. And the fractions should go away. So this would be 7 times 5 is 35 plus 5x is equal to 7x. And then if I solve this, 35 is equal to 2x, and x is equal to 35 over 2, or 17.5. So 17.5 hours.